How to multiply binomials without the use of FOIL method? Whenever you multiply binomials where the x terms have a coefficient of 1, the result is a quadratic expression of the form x squared plus bx plus c, where b is the sum of the constants, and in this example, that is 3 plus 1, so that will make it 4, and then your c is the product of the constants, so that's 3 times 1 equals 3. Given that your x plus 3 times x plus 1 now is equal to x squared plus bx, where b is 4, so we have 4x, plus c, where c is 3, so we have x squared plus 4x plus 3. Another example would be x minus 3 times x plus 7. Our b is simply equal to the sum of the constants, so that's negative 3 plus 7 equals 4. And c is the product of the constants, so that's negative 3 times 7 equals negative 21. So, your x minus 3 times x plus 7 is now equal to x squared plus b, which is 4, and then x, and then plus c, and that is negative 21. Okay?